Today we're introducing the new Prince Mag magnetic nail screw holder, which has a powerful, safe magnetic end on there, and it can hold nails, screws from 20 mil up to 80 mil. There's the screw holding in the tool. No more broken fingers, no more broken thumbs. Ouch. Here we go. This is a nice handle. We can use it sideways like that, screwing in, up underneath the timber, screwing it in like that, or even like this, where you just put your little nail and screw it up. Nothing worse than trying to nail or screw something overhead. This will do it easily and professionally. Let's try just a little nail in here. Here we go. The nail holds in the jaw very, very well. We'll pop that down on the timber. Simple. We do the same with screws, and holds nails and screws up to 80 mil long. Very, very powerful holding jaws. This can slip backwards and forwards. Easy hold handle. There we go. And that's the Prince Mag magnetic holding tool.